and welcome. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can download datasets that you would have created in the KIWI ExploreLive module. I'm going to use an active ExploreLive session in which I have already uploaded 3 datasets: demo.csv, authors.csv, and books.csv. I've used the first dataset to create 2 modified datasets, one called samples only, and the second one called one per ID. I've also created a pooled dataset by merging books.csv onto authors.csv using the name merge key. The result is a small dataset with 6 rows and 5 columns. I want to draw your attention to the last column, which contains missing records or missing information for 5 out of the 6 rows. So to download those modified dataset or the pool dataset, you need to go to the Download Content tab. This is a fairly simple interface with 2 drop-down fields and a download button. The first field allows you to select the dataset that you want to download. So it could be any of the imported dataset, or any of the modified datasets, or the pool dataset. So I'm going to select the pool data. The second field allows you to define how R is going to export missing information, so the NA in R terminology. And you can choose one of the 4 options. So missing information could be represented by an empty string, so literally the absence of character. You can use the NA characters. You can use a dot or 99. So I'm going to use a dot. So when you click on the download button, KIWI ExploreLive will create a CSV file and will export that CSV file to your local drive. So you click on the button, and depending on the configuration of your web browser, the file could directly go to your default download folder. In my case, I have the ability to choose where I will download my files. In this case, I'm going to replace my pool data. And I will open that file in Excel to show you how the missing information in the last column is represented by the selected dot character.